What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Beekeeper's Buzz. This month is February and what to expect when you're in the southeast part of the United States. So first things first, we're starting to come a little bit out of winter depending on where you're at. So as those temperatures are gradually moving above that 55, 60 degree mark, keep an eye out for hive activity outside the entrance. Keep an eye out for resources inside the hive. Make sure that they still have plenty of honey to get them through that last little stretch of winter. And then just keep an eye out and see if there's going to be pollen collection in your area. It could start as early as February, but mostly we're looking towards the end of February, early March for that. Second thing for February is this is kind of your last chance to get that list together and get that maintenance together that you're going to need coming spring. A lot's about to happen in a quick amount of time, so we want to make sure that we're prepared for that. Also, think about splits when we talk about the future. When we're thinking about getting ready for spring, you're about to be coming out of winter with a strong hive, which could be possible that you might need to split as early as February. So just make sure you keep an eye out for that. So this month and going forward for the Beekeeper's Buzz, we got a special treat. We're gonna go through our bee yard the whole season, and we have them labeled 1 through 5, and we're gonna show you the progression of 5 hives throughout the spring, summer, and fall months until we wrap it up come December. So make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe, and please follow along with our hive inspections going forward, so hopefully we can learn from each other. Thanks again.